Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp if it's not ringing. Now first of all, go to your settings on your mobile phone and search in Do Not Disturb. As you can see, if you search Do Not Disturb, then you should turn it off. Now second step is go to your WhatsApp applications. Now you can search it by going to your apps or your applications and searching WhatsApp. After going to your WhatsApp, click on app permissions or notifications. As you can see, my WhatsApp notifications is on as should yours. Now the second step is you should clear cache of your WhatsApp by going to your storage and clearing the cache. Last but not the least, steps is go to your App Store or your Play Store and search in WhatsApp and check if it is on the latest update or not. If it is not, then you should update your WhatsApp. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.